g'urbatda g'arib, shodimon bo'lmas emish. El anga shafiqu mehribon bo'lmas emish. Oltin qafas ichra gar qizil gul bitsa, bulbulga tikonday oshiyon bo'lmas emish.
Maktabimizda 1050 dan ortiq o'quvchilar tahsil olmoqda. 20 minutlik katta tanaffuslarimizda bepul choylar, issiq choylarimiz, kamida 2 xil issiq ovqatlar tayyorlanadi. O'quvchilarimiz darsdan keyingi bo'sh vaqtlarida ham bemalol qorinlari to'q, to'garak mashg'ulotlariga qatnasha oladi.
Good afternoon, everyone. My full name is Bilal Naripov. I study this school, which is named 72nd school. I got a certificate from English language. I got it because of our teachers who work here, and I'm preparing to be a student after next year, and I have another certificate from Azzain. If you want, I can tell about it. Hozirda menda ikkita sertifikat bor. Birinchisi ingliz tili fanidan, ikkinchisi ona tili fanidan milliy sertifikatlarim bor. Shu maktabda shu 11-sinfda o'qiyman. Shu bitirganimdan keyin 11-sinf tugatganimdan keyin Andijon davlat chet tili institutiga o'qishga topshirmoqchiman. Hozirda majburiy fanlardan tayyorgarlik ko'ryapman.
I'm Hadisha and I'm ninth grade at school. So even I'm 15, I got 7 IELTS certificate from preparing at the school. So our school is specialized for English and Math, and our school teachers are capable and professional that teach us in 2 languages, Russian and English. So and they are very capable and as kind as our mothers. So I love my school. Men Hajjabonaman va men IELTS dan 7 olganman. Hozirda mana shu maktabda o'qiyman va men mana shu maktabimni yaxshi ko'raman, ya'ni faxrlanaman shu maktabdan, ya'ni shuncha darajaga yetganim uchun. Men hozirda majburiy fanlarda o'qiyman, lekin kelajakda